children, welcome to our Eurokids Puri online classroom. I am your Shilpi Miss. So children, let's start our today's activity. And today we are going to learn about insect, honeybee and grasshopper. So children, let us look the picture of honeybee. So children, look here. This is honeybee. What is the name of this insect? It is honeybee. And children, honeybee recognize each other by smell. Their sense of seeing is not very well developed. And children, these honeybee are flying insects. These honeybee are flying insects. They fly. And children, they are known for producing honey and bee wax. So children, this honeybee gives us honey. So who gives us honey? Honeybee gives us honey, and honeybee also produces bee wax. And children, like the butterfly, the honeybees too have a long thin straw-like structure called proboscis that is used to eat the flower nectar. And children, what is the flower nectar? Flower nectar is the juice of flower. So children, the proboscis allows them to obtain the nectar from flower. And children, bees too live together in the beehive. So children, let us look the picture of beehive. So look here, this is the beehive and so many honeybees are there in the beehive. So children, this honeybee live together in the beehive, and in the beehive there is lot of honey present inside the beehive. And children, they have one queen bee and all others are the workers. So children, in the beehive there is one queen bee and all these honeybees are the workers. So children, you have to learn the name of this insect, honeybee. And now children, we will look our next insect, and that is your grasshopper. So children, look here, this insect name is grasshopper. G for grasshopper. And children, the green insect is the grasshopper. Grasshoppers are usually green in color. And children, a grasshopper is an insect with long, powerful legs behind for jumping. So children, look here, this is the insect grasshopper and it has two strong legs on the back side for jumping. So children, the grasshopper jumps. And children, they have two pairs of antennae and two pairs of wings. So children, look here, these are the two pairs of antennae and they have two pairs of wings to fly. And children, grasshopper eat plants. So what does the grasshopper eat? The grasshopper eat plant. And children, grasshopper make sounds by rubbing their wings and legs together. So children, remember it that grasshopper makes a peculiar sound by rubbing their wings and legs. So children, today we have learned about insect, honeybee and grasshopper. So what you have to do? You have to learn the name of these insects. So children, now we will move towards our next activity. So children, in our next activity, we are going to learn letter U. So children, this is uppercase letter U and this is lowercase letter u. And children, these are the words that start with letter U. So children, we will look all these words one by one. So children, U for ugly, U for ugly, and U for undress, U for undress, and children, U for horizon to protect us from sun heat. And children, U from underwater. U from underwater. Look children, the diver is underwater. The diver is underwater. And U for udder. U for udder. And children, udder is a part of cow. Udder is a part of cow's body from which we get milk. So look here, this is the udder. U for udder. And U for underline. Look here, the uppercase U and lowercase U has underlined. So children, U for underline and U for un. U for un and U for under. U for under. The boy is sitting under the tree. The boy is sitting where? The boy is sitting under the tree. And U for umpire. U for umpire. And children, you have seen umpire in cricket match. So children, U for underwear. U for underwear. And children, these are the words that start with letter U. So children, you have to learn all these words. And children, now it's time to end our session. Bye bye children.